how to overlay in InShot. First of all, open your InShot and now tap on video. Then you can create or either continue with your draft. In here, select a video or photo. Then tap on the tick button. After doing that, here you can see this is a video. In order to add overlay, you'll have to tap on the option PIP right here. If you swipe to the left, you can see the option clearly. Tap on it. Then you can select a video or photo that you want to overlay. Here you can see I have selected a photo. Now you can adjust it however you want in the clip. Now I'm going to add another one. So all you need to do is again tap on the plus icon that you can see right here. Then again select a photo or video. Just like this. Now I'm going to drag this photo to another clip, just like this, in here on the top of it. And in here I'm going to play the video now. Here you can see I have successfully overlaid this video with these images. Now all you need to do is tap on tick. And if you want to export it, you can do that. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.